Right that.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's DJ back again with another little video for you guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be going over a new Scuff controller that my lovely girlfriend Toff Boys, aka Sierra, aka Toff Boys, she bought it for me for Christmas and we're opening it right now. So let's get into it. Damn! Got the Instinct Pro Xbox. It doesn't look orange and black like that, but let's get into it. Oh, that's so satisfying opening it like that. It's got the Scuff logo on the front. Spent what was it, $250? $252.89. Holy shit, guys, this is so nice.
Wow. 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 Right? Yeah. Great. Amazing.
Damn. All right, the grips on the back are perfect. There's paddles, 4 paddles on the back. And then you've got the switches that control how far the triggers go in. These switches, it's like a mouse click. It controls like how far you gotta click in. That's nice. That's really nice.
It's really nice.
And then we paid for gray buttons, A, B, X, Y buttons. Everything else is blacked out. It looks so clean, dude. I'm so excited to play with this. So I'm not gonna trick shot with it because I don't wanna mess up the thumbsticks, but I got the short and wide thumbsticks for better accuracy. And man, this thing feels phenomenal. The triggers on the back, like my fingers already go there. Like, it's actually perfect. I'm so excited for this. So yeah, $250. I'm gonna play with it and then I'll record again and tell you guys how I like it, but I can already tell that this thing is about to be amazing. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below and I can answer them for you as soon as possible. First impression, I would say it's 100% worth it. I mean, look at the thing. Why would you not? And the paddles, that's like a really big reason too. All right, well that's it for today's video. Short and sweet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe, get yourself a Scuff. It's worth it. Peace out.